Hello, this is Maria Fuster for BizNews in IFA 2009. We're here with Sarah, who's a PR manager for the company TomTom. Hello, Sarah. Thank you for meeting with us.
Nice to meet you. Hi.
Thank you very much. First of all, I know that TomTom is a very known worldwide company, but maybe you can give us a short introduction into what TomTom is about and where it comes from.
TomTom is offering navigation solutions. Our focus is on PNDs, but we are also offering solutions for smartphones as well as integrated solutions. And we also have a business unit offering fleet management solutions. So we are offering the best navigation solutions for drivers and offer it on many platforms.
Excellent. And where would you say is your main competition? In what markets or what companies are your main competitors?
So in general, we don't comment on competition, but we are market leader in Europe and are well doing in the US.
We've seen that you have an application for iPhone. Most of our readers are very interested in iPhones, and most of them actually do own one. So we'd be interested to know what are the innovative features about this concept.
Since about 3 weeks, our application for the iPhone is available in the iTunes App Store, and we offer a completely optimized turn-by-turn navigation solution, very well and nice working on the iPhone, and it also includes our clever routing technology, IQ Route, so that our users also on the iPhone always get offered the best route.
And how has been the reception so far since your launch?
Yeah, we are happy about the number of customers using our app. That's going well. But you have to keep in mind that our solution will be definitely complete with a car kit that will come in October, and that's perfect for using your device in car. Easy to use. You have an additional GPS chip for a better GPS connection. You have loudspeakers, so it's really nice and easy to use and makes the full navigation experience on the iPhone complete.
And where is it's going to be launched, the device itself? What countries?
The car kit will come across lots of European countries and also in the US in October. And the app is also available for lots of Western European countries as well as in the US and in Australia.
Excellent. And let me ask you, we're in IFA 2009. How has been the experience so far? Are you enjoying it? Are you seeing a lot of interest in your products?
Yeah, we are really happy with IFA this year. So we had lots of people being interested on what we are showing, what our latest products are. The traffic at our booth was it's crowded, as you see also at the moment. So we are really happy, and IFA isn't over yet. So there are still 3 days to go, but by now we are really happy and enjoyed IFA very much. So a lot of interesting chats with customers as well as with retailers and journalists. It's always a very interesting possibility to meet people as well from a local perspective, but also from an international perspective.
Exactly. And for all the people that have come to IFA, either professionals of the sector or consumers themselves, when they come to TomTom, what would you like them to leave thinking about TomTom? Or what's a final message you would like them to keep from this experience?
We are definitely leading the field of navigation solutions, especially, of course, portable navigation solutions. We are offering our customers a wealth of really important technologies that make it, that are relevant for daily driving. So you get the latest traffic information, you get the best routes calculated. So with our devices, you really make the best navigation experience.
Excellent, Sarah. Well, thank you so much for the interview. It was a pleasure to meet you.
Thank you, and enjoy IFA.